Hi first graders, it's Miss Pedretti and today, alright, we found page 296. It looks like we're going to solve and show our work. There are 8 swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yeah, I believe that. There are 8 swings. 12 children want to swing. How many children must wait to swing? Well, we can think we have 8 swings and 12 children are wanting to swing. What do you think our problem is going to be? Are we going to add? I hope you said no. Are we going to subtract? I hope you said yes. 12 minus 8 equals... Pause the video and solve. Did you get 4? Now remember, we need to say 4, and then it tells us to label 4 children. If you're ever confused on how to spell, it's usually right in the story problem. Isn't that awesome? Alright, 10 bikes are on the rack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 7 children start to ride. How many bikes do not have a rider? There's different ways you can show your work on this. One way is to be drawing our circles. I'm going to use red so it stands out on the tan background. I'm going to draw 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how many bikes we have. B for bikes. I'm going to use purple for children. Then I'm going to draw 7 dots. Try to line them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This stands for children, so I'm going to write a C. Switch my colors. I'm going to draw a line on where we have extras for the bikes. Do you see those 3 extra dots? That must mean 3 bikes do not have a rider. And we're going to label it. Can you guess? Awesome. It's bikes. This is testing my computer skills. Oof. I hope yours looks better than that. All right. Now, let's think. How would we draw comparison bars to solve the same problem? If you did it this way, that's awesome. If you did it another way, good for you. Everyone thinks in their own way. Let's see how I draw my comparison bars for the same problem on bikes. I'm going to use this text tool to show my work. Here's a long bar, and it has 10 in it. I'm going to label it B for bikes. That's how many bikes we have all together. I'm then going to get another text box and make it a little bit shorter. 7C, 7 children all together. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter. Next to the short bar, I need to draw an oval. This is for the extra, and a box inside for the unknown. Then I counted on to find that there are 3 more bikes than children. 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are some possible equations. 10 minus 7 equals 3, or 7 plus 3 equals 10. Awesome. Now remember, friends, you need to take a picture of your work and turn it in. Awesome. My work is turned in, and now my teacher can see it and see the amazing work that I did. Have a great Friday, and I'll see you in my next recording.